I decided to make a delicious dessert. Easy, quick, and delicious. If you want more delicious recipes, please subscribe. I'm sure you haven't tried it before. All the ingredients are in the kitchen. 2 eggs, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 cup milk, 1½ cups flour and 1 packet baking powder. Mix well. Pour into a cake pan. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 to 35 minutes. Next, the pastry cream. 1/2 cup sugar, 1 egg, three tablespoons flour, 2½ cups milk, when it starts to boil, 1 packet vanilla, 1 tablespoon butter. Mix well. Cut the cake in half. Soak with milk. Pour the pastry cream. Close again and sprinkle with powdered sugar. Our perfect dessert is ready. Enjoy!